Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Your Future Boss. You already know, follow me on Twitter at Your Future Boss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Also, Instagram, you already know, I'm on IG a lot, so please like, subscribe. I need your help guys. I need to get these numbers up. YouTube doesn't want to pay me. Let's get into this unboxing. Today we got the Amazon Echo Show 5. Alright guys, this product's gonna be cool, but I kinda got. I actually thought this was the 5th generation of the Echo Show. I thought somehow I missed number 2 through 4, but it's actually not the 5th generation. It's called the Echo Show 5 because it's 5.5 inch of screen on it. So let's open this up and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so the Amazon Echo Show 5, obviously like I said, 5.5 inches, not the 5th generation. Let's open it up, let's see what's inside. So first, the back of the box, it talks about what Alexa can do. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna say that word again. I try not to as much as possible because you guys probably hear that in the background. Things are all listening into my house. So same thing probably happened at yours, I'm sorry. So you can tell this thing to do a bunch of things. Read you the news, tell you the weather, set alarm clocks, watch actually your doorbell, which is something I'm going to use it for because I do have a Ring doorbell on my house. Not a plug, but they should probably pay me. I do have that doorbell, so therefore if somebody comes to the door, instead of getting up to look at it, I do have the app on my phone, but I can just look to the side of the bed and see it. It'll be a little bit easier. Not a big deal, but it's something cool. Also, I do use that news feature like I was telling you. In the mornings, I do go in the kitchen and use my other one, and I'll actually listen and watch the little clips about the news for the day, whatever. So this, I'll be able to do it right at my bedside, so it just helped me out a little bit. This was another good buy during Prime Week, and that's why I did it. So Prime Day win for me. So the other things that this does is obviously it does have that capability to, you call her name. We know which her name is. We have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio in, and you have a built-in camera. But this one comes with a camera cover. So while you're in your room, which is where most people probably put this, or an office, you don't have to worry about the camera just watching you at all times. You can actually block it. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Put the box to the side here. So here it is. Looks like a little alarm clock, really. Let's see what else is in the box with it. We have Echo Show 5 from Amazon, probably some startup guides. We don't really need these. I have a lot of these Amazon products. My house has really become a lot of Amazon. Amazon's taking over in here. But I really like them because they help out, make life a little bit easier. With the smart home capabilities that we have here, it's just a cool thing. Literally, the only other thing in the box is the power brick. Cool, so that's it for the box. We'll throw this to the side. And we'll get right into the showstopper. So it looks like a little alarm clock. I don't know if you guys can see that on the top. Actually, let me take this plastic off. It'll be a little bit easier for you guys to see. Alright, so they have this shiny front on it. And we have the top. Actually, the back has like a, I don't know what this is. It kind of feels plasticky, but it kind of feels carpet-like. It feels like a speaker grill, if you know what I mean. It's weird. So it's like a covered material, so it's kind of mesh feeling. On the top of it, we have the mute button, the volume up and volume down. There's a little microphone. We can see these two little dots here for the microphones. Also, this is the camera shutter. So you can close this camera so it's not watching you at all times, which is really cool. On the bottom of it, you have some rubber feet here, so another Amazon logo, funny. So this keeps it from sliding around on your desk so you don't knock it over, things like that. We have the power input. We have a micro HDMI here, and we have, USB, not HDMI, USB, and we also have the input, the line in. So you can connect another device like your phone or something like that into it to play music or whatever you want to play into it. That's something that's almost out. I don't think we're really doing this anymore, but hey, it's there for us. The thing's pretty cool, so very small. So let's do a comparison real quick. So I actually have my other one. So this is the original Echo Show, and this is the Echo Show 5. That thing is dwarfing the other one. Like, it is huge. It's probably like a fifth of the size. It's so small. So you can see why this is gonna work well on just my countertop, my bedside table, as opposed to this big thing, which I use in the kitchen. I get recipes, I do all types of things with it. So this big boy here is something totally different. Alright guys, so this is just a front view of them. Yeah, I mean, these things are, this one is so much bigger than the new one. Like you can see, the 5 inches is why they call it the 5. They got me. So this thing has, they both have the far field voice. So pretty much if you're in a room and there's other stuff going on and you talk to it, I guess it like listens out for the person who actually spoke. Funny thing, I actually set mine up so whenever I actually say the name of these things, it actually says my name, like it's talking back to me because I made it learn my name. So it knows my voice as opposed to my wife's voice or as opposed to anybody else's voice. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, these things are great. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to set it up. If you guys want to see more, leave comments, subscribe, like. Please guys, help me out. I need your help. Let's do this. Till next time, it was your boy, your future boss. Peace.